41.25. All right, let's see, is that logical? Well, x is the longest side. It should be bigger than that. So yep, that's bigger. It should also be bigger than this side over here. So 41.25 is a logical answer. Okay, now let me just talk again about how I found that answer. I compared the small shape with the larger shape. And these are the adjacent sides in the small shape equaling to the adjacent sides in the larger shape. So what I found here, the times 2.2, I was still finding my scale factor. That's how many times this short side goes into that one. It goes in 2.2 times. So I was multiplying by 2.2. I just maybe was setting it up differently than what we've been doing before. Because normally you would just say, okay, you would find your scale factors by dividing those. Okay, and again, dividing those is where I got the 2.2. And then taking it times 18.75 gives you your x. Now, some of you might remember cross products. This is a different way to solve a proportion if you've used that before. If you're finding x, what you would do is you'd look at what's diagonally across from each other, and to find x, you can just take the two numbers that you have diagonally across from each other, which would be the 18.75 times the 27.5. You can multiply those, and then you would divide by the one that's across from your x, divided by 12.5. Okay? And then if you type this into your calculator, let's see what happens. So 18.75 times 27.5 divided by the 12.5. Notice we get the exact same answer, the 41.25. Okay? And again, that's called using cross product. So again, that's multiplying the two numbers that are across from each other and dividing by the one that's across from the x. And that will give you this answer as well. Okay? Without actually even finding your scale factor. All right, so you have a choice between which options you want to use for finding that x.